Combine flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Mix well, then set aside. Mix egg yolk, oil, and orange juice. Yung orange juice, okay lang din yung mga orange juice drink like Plus or Zesto, or kaya yung royal na soft drinks okay lang din. Or pwede rin ng water plus half teaspoon of lemon extract. Basta lagi sanang may flavoring para hindi masyadong maeg yung lasa niya. Then combine dry and wet ingredients. Mix lang sila hanggang sa maging smooth siya. Pero do not overmix. Then set aside. For the meringue, beat egg whites and cream of tartar. Okay lang na magkasabay na si cream of tartar at saka si egg whites. Or, if you want naman, pwede naman ding maging frothy muna si egg whites before adding yung cream of tartar. Then, pag super madami na siyang bubbles like yung sa video, add lang ng sugar dahan-dahan. If handheld mixer yung gamit, pwedeng i-half recipe na lang muna para hindi masyadong matagal i-whip si egg whites. Then, beat lang siya hanggang maging stiff peak. Ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Tapos, kapag binaligtad mo yung bowl, hindi rin siya mahuhulog. Tapos, mag-mix lang ng konting egg white mixture dun sa yolk mixture para mag-lighten lang yung butter. Para mas madali din silang paghaluin after. Gently lang dapat yung pagmi-mix para hindi mag-pop up yung bubbles na siyang nagpapalambot naman dun sa chiffon cake. Then, add lang yung the rest ng egg whites and then gently fold in ulit. Mix lang siya using folding method. Ika-cut siya sa center and then ifo-fold over siya sa side ng bowl. While scraping yung bottom at saka yung side niya. Then, paulit-ulit lang hanggang mawala na yung buo-buong egg white mixture. Tsaka pagpantay na yung color niya. Then, pour siya sa dalawang 8x3 inch baking pan. Ungrease dapat yung pan kapag nagbe-bake ng chiffon cakes. Kasi ang chiffon cakes, kailangan dumikit siya dun sa side ng pan para maging mataas din siya. Then, tap lang ng few times para mawala lang yung malalaking bubbles niya. Bake at preheated oven until done. Huwag nyo ring bubuksan yung oven nyo for at least dun sa first 20 minutes ng pagkakasalang niya. Mag-check siya if okay na kapag nag-insert ka ng toothpick tapos it comes out clean. Or, pag piniras mo siya ng konti tapos babalik siya dun sa form niya. Then, palamigin siya ng pabaliktad. Para ma-prevent siya sa pag-collapse, though, nagsishrink pa rin siya ng konti pero hindi siya deform. Tap lang yung side ng pan para ma-release si cake. If ayaw nyong matanggal yung brown part na to, after nyong ilabas sa oven, pwede nyong i-run ng knife or ng spatula yung side ng cake para ma-release siya dun sa pan. Tapos, itaob siya sa cooling rack. Tapos, itaob siya ulit sa isa pang cooling rack. Minsan, ang result ng cake sa atin is iba-iba. Depende kasi yan minsan sa technique natin at saka lalo na sa oven. So, explore na lang din kayo. Super worth it itry itong recipe na to. Super fluffy niya. Combine flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Mix well and set aside. Mix egg yolk, oil, and orange juice. Combine the dry and wet ingredients. Whisk until smooth or free of lumps. And then set aside. In another bowl, whisk egg whites and cream of tartar until frothy. Gradually add sugar. Beat until stiff peak. Add and gently fold in some egg white mixture to the butter. It will loosen the butter so we can easily mix them together. Then add the rest of the egg white mixture. Gently fold in. Mixing using folding method. Cut the butter, then fold it over while scraping the bottom and side of the bowl. Pour into two 8x3-inch lined baking pan. Do not grease the pan. Chiffon cakes clings to the side to rise. Spread evenly and then tap for a few times to remove some bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven until done. Do not open your oven while baking chiffon cakes at least for the first 20 minutes. The cake is ready when an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Pull the cake upside down. Tap the side to release the cake from the pan. If you don't want to remove the top of your cake, instead of cooling it upside down, loosen the sides of your cake with a knife or spatula, then invert it immediately in a cooling rack, then invert again in another rack.